Hi guys, you're welcome back again. So on the board here, we are given 7th root of 5 to power 16 plus 5 to power x over 5 to power x plus 5 to power 2 is equal to 5. Then we are asked to solve for the value of s from this equation. So the first thing we are going to do is to remove this 7th root. And to remove this 7th root, we are going to raise both sides to the power of 7. So we raise the left hand side to power 7, then equally to the right hand side to the power of 7. So that this 7 is going to eliminate this 7th root. So we are left with what? 5 to power 16 plus 5 to the power of x divided by what? 5 to power x plus 5 to the power of 2, which is equal to 5 to the power of 7. Now the next thing we are going to do is this 5 to the power of 7 can also be written as what? 5 to the power of 7 over 1 for easy cross multiplication. Now we're going to cross multiply. 1 multiplied by this is going to give us 5 to the power of 16 plus 5 to the power of x, because 1 multiplied by anything is still the same as that thing. Then we're going to multiply 5 to the power of 7 by this. So we're going to have 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 5 to power x plus 5 to the power of 2. So we just cross multiply. Now the next thing we're going to do is to open this bracket. So in the left hand side, we have 5 to the power of 16 plus 5 to the power of x, which is equal to 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 5 to the power of x. We have 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 5 to the power of x, then plus 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2. So we distribute this 5 to the power of 7 into the bracket. Now the next thing we're going to do is to move this term with variable x to the left hand side. Then we take the remaining one to the right hand side. So in the left hand side we have 5 to the power of x. And when this is positive, when it crosses to the other side, become negative 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 5 to the power of x, which is equal to, here we have 5 to power 7 multiply 5 to the power of 2. So the bases are the same. So we just write one of the base, then we add the power. If you recall your multiplication property of indices. So the power is 7 plus 2, which is going to give us 9. Then we take this 16 to the right hand side, and it's positive here. When it crosses, it's going to be what? Negative 5 to the power of 16. 5 to the power of 16 rather. Now the next thing we are going to do, if you look at the left hand side, 5 to power x, 5 to power x is common. So we're going to factor out 5 to the power of x. 5 to power x divide 5 to power x to be 1, then minus 5 to power 7 multiplied by 5 to power x. This 5 to power x is going to cancel this one. It will remain only 5 to the power of 7. Then everything will be equal to, now in the right hand side, we have 5 to power 9 minus 5 to power 16. 5 to power 9 is common because 5 to power 9 can go in itself, and equally it can go into 5 to the power of 16. So we factor out 5 to the power of 9, then we open bracket. 5 to power 9 divided by 5 to power 9, it will be 1, then minus 5 to power 16 divided by 5 to the power of 9 is going to give us 5 to the power of 7. Because when you divide, then you subtract the power. 16 minus 9 is going to be 7. Now the next thing we are going to do, if you look at this equation, both the left and the right hand side, we notice that we have 1 minus 5 to power 7. 1 minus 5 to power 7, they are the same. So if you divide both sides by 1 minus 5 to the 7, this and this is going to cancel. So we are left with what? 5 to power x, which is equal to 5 to the power of 9. So as you can see now, the bases are the same. And when the bases are the same, what the property of exponent say, then we equate the power. So the first, we cancel out the base. The first power is x, which is equal to the second power, which is 9. So therefore, 9 is the value of x that satisfies this equation. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.